played very well. They had a good technical team there. They had Mr. Peter Godrelis as a technical director. We all know where Mr. Godrelis works. The team always got promoted or survived relegation. So they had a good technical team. They signed a goalkeeper coach, Gwabinga Makatrik guy, and also they had a guy from Brazil, a physio trainer, a very good guy. His job there. So they had a good guys. Also, remember they had the likes of coach Lechesa before. So those guys they're doing very well there at Magesi. They had a good structure. Even they had good players. Most of their players they played for the team for more than 10 years. They had good young squad there at Magesi. So I knew they're going to surprise a lot of people. They're going to surprise a lot of teams. But no one gave them a chance. No one gave them a chance. But I believe they did very well against the likes of the Zero Bus, Orlando Pirates in the last 8 of the tournament, on the Kali Knockout tournament. And also remember they played the Natal Rich Boys Richards Bay, where they won 1-0 away from Limpopo. They played away game, so they won 1-0. And also the tough one against TS Galaxy Football Club, where they also won 1-0. So the boys played very well. They played very well. Yes, the opponent came to the party, but I think Magesi did very well. But on the final against the Brazilians, no one saw it coming. But I believe we just need to say congratulations to Magesi Football Club and the whole technical team of Magesi and the whole community of Mamelodi and the Limpopo province as a whole.
I don't think we didn't know what was coming, or Mamelodi Sundowns didn't know. But for Mamelodi Sundowns, I think looking at how the first half unfolded, they knew who they were up against. They didn't really play that easily or even flow really better. They were really afraid to go at Magesi because they knew one mistake, Magesi get an opportunity, they were definitely going to score a goal. So the first half was just a bit tight for the both teams. Magesi understood who they were up against. But if you're looking at their journey in the competition, Magesi upsetting Orlando Pirates the way they did and scoring so many goals against Orlando Pirates, and looking at them getting that a point against Kaizer Chiefs so far, you would have not underestimated what they can do, because what we know so far and what we knew ahead of that final is that Magesi are definitely a scoring team.
True, Macho. Do you remember this side Magesi got 3 goals against the mighty Orlando Pirates? So I'm sure Mamelodi Sundowns, or Magesi is a good side by then. But on paper, going to the game, Magesi was underdogs and Mamelodi Sundowns were the favorites. Remember, Mamelodi Sundowns played the 3 cup finals lately. They played the Nedbank Cup twice against Orlando Pirates, and also they played MTN 8, where they lost all the finals. So it was not going to be possible where Mamelodi Sundowns was going to lose this final. So Mamelodi Sundowns were favorites on the paper going to this cup final. So Magesi were underdogs. No one thought Magesi is going to surprise Mamelodi Sundowns. We even saw the ball position where Mamelodi Sundowns dominated the game. Remember, it was 80% to Mamelodi Sundowns and 20% to Magesi in first half. We saw the likes of Obrima Posamudiva overlapping on the left wing side, and also the likes of Reina scoring a beautiful goals, making 3 goals on this cup competition. The likes of Modau, obviously, I think even the coach blamed him for those goals that they came on Chirambandare's side, where he allowed him to cross those 2 balls. So I think Mamelodi Sundowns undermined the opponents, to be honest, going into the games. Because if you can check, even the players like Devo Marembola Mukwena were relaxed, even coming back from FIFA break, where he was with Bafana's side, and also all players who were with the national team. That's why you even saw the coach Mangoba Mwichi play all the players who were on the national team. I thought he will rotate the squad. I thought he will bring the likes of Letagu, the young Letagu, and the likes of Mabena, even the likes of Masego. I thought they will start because they will want to prove the point, these young boys, but the coach decided to bring the A side, even though they disappointed him. But big up to Magesi. They played beautiful football second half. They played beautiful football. They got 3 shots on targets. With those 2 shots on targets were goals. From Abrahams and Karur, I believe those boys played very well. That's why I'm saying big up to Coach Clinton Lassen and his technical teams. But answering your questions, I believe Mamelodi Sundowns undermined the opponents.
Yeah, I really do not think so. But yeah, because of time, I need to go to an ad break. I would have loved for us to continue the conversation, but we'll always touch base with you whenever we have these games. The league is back, the club football is back. There's a couple of questions that I wanted to ask, but we can always continue this one on a Thursday when we have a Disc Thursday. But I really appreciate your input. Thank you so much, and have a great evening further.
Thank you, Mamelodi, and to our listeners at home, good show as always. God bless.
Thank you so much. And yeah, that yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, I think it's still the same thing that maybe people didn't expect. But when you look at their journey, you could have and as Ezekiel said that he feels Mamelodi Sundowns have undermined their opponent, but I don't think so. If you watch the first half, you realize that Mamelodi Sundowns did not undermine Magesi. They knew what they're capable of. They knew what could come at them. They knew it was coming should they make mistake. So they did that. They knew it. The way they played in the first half, they were really scared, and that's not Mamelodi Sundowns. But we'll be back right after this. So stay tuned to Alex FM and send those reviews.